Lost my kid in the supermarket. Tommy? Where are you? Please answer me. Oh no, I cannot see my kid anywhere. Hi, I am Mary. I am a busy mom, and I am shopping with my son, Tommy. 10 minutes ago, everything was fine, but then a big incident happened. To begin with, we arrived at the supermarket. It was very crowded today. Tommy, we are in a hurry now. We need to buy food for dinner. Look, Mom, a giant robot. Can I see it? Not now, Tommy. Stay here with me. I was looking at my grocery list. Suddenly, I hit a man's cart. Hey, watch out! Oh dear, everything fell to the floor. Oh, I am so sorry, sir. I picked up his cans and bags. Meanwhile, Tommy saw something cool. He walked away without my knowing. Afterwards, I finished helping the man. Okay, let's go, Tommy? Where is my son? He was just here a moment ago. Next, I saw a guard in the hallway. Excuse me, did a boy walk past here? He is wearing a blue shirt. Sorry, ma'am, I didn't see any kids alone. Oh no, my heart is racing now. Then I saw a lady near the snacks. Excuse me, have you seen a boy in a blue shirt? Oh, yes, he was here a minute ago. But he followed a robot toy, and I could not see where he went. I'm so worried, my heart was beating fast. I have to look for him in places we just walked through. I ran to the fruit section. Then I checked the meat section. Where did he go? Eventually, I stopped running. I must find professional help. I went straight to the main security desk. Sir, please help me. I lost my son, Tommy. Stay calm, ma'am. We can help you. What is the boy's name? His name is Tommy. And what is your name, ma'am? My name is Maria, but my son calls me Mary. We will use the speakers straight away. Our staff will find him and bring him here. Children cannot leave this supermarket alone, so please don't worry. He is safe inside. I waited for 15 minutes. Every minute felt like an hour. Suddenly, I saw a staff member in the distance. A boy in a blue shirt was walking with her. It was Tommy. Tommy, I found you. I hugged him very tightly. Don't ever leave me again. Tommy was shaking, and he apologized quietly. I am sorry, Mom. This was a scary lesson. Next time, always follow your parents. But if you are lost, don't run. Find a person in a uniform. Tell them you need your mom, and they will help you. Being a mom is a big job. Problems always happen. The most important thing is how you solve them. Stay safe and see you later. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Where did Mary go shopping with Tommy? Answer. She went shopping with Tommy at the supermarket. Question 2. Why did Mary and Tommy go to the supermarket? Answer. They went there to buy food for dinner. Question 3. Why did Tommy walk away from Mary? Answer: he walked away because he saw something cool. Question 4. Where did Mary go to ask for professional help? Answer: she went to the main security desk. Question 5. How long did Mary wait before she saw Tawny again? Answer: she waited for 15 minutes before she saw Tommy again. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.